Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus Nissan Z. Let's dive into their performance metrics. The Toyota Supra, known for its BMW-derived powertrain, typically offers a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged engine, providing exhilarating acceleration. On the other hand, the Nissan Z counters with its own 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering a similar punch. Both vehicles are engineered for speed and agility, making them thrilling choices for enthusiasts seeking a dynamic driving experience. Moving on to driving dynamics, the Supra is often lauded for its well-balanced chassis and precise steering, offering a refined and engaging ride. Its suspension setup contributes to a stable feel, especially during spirited driving. The Nissan Z, however, provides a more traditional sports car experience, with responsive handling that connects the driver directly to the road. Both vehicles are designed to deliver exceptional grip and cornering, ensuring confidence through twists and turns, appealing to different driving preferences. Now, let's explore the interiors and technology. The Toyota Supra's cabin often features high-quality materials and a driver-focused cockpit, emphasizing ergonomics and comfort for two occupants. It integrates a user-friendly infotainment system with intuitive controls. The Nissan Z presents a modern interior, boasting a digital gauge cluster and a responsive touchscreen infotainment system. Both models come equipped with a suite of advanced safety features and connectivity options, ensuring a contemporary and secure driving environment for their respective drivers. When considering value, both the Toyota Supra and Nissan Z offer compelling packages for their performance and features, often starting in a similar price range. Your ultimate choice will likely come down to personal driving preference and aesthetic appeal. The Supra might appeal to those seeking a refined, track-ready machine, while the Z could attract drivers who appreciate a more raw, traditional sports car feel. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars represent excellent choices in the sports car segment, delivering excitement and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.